Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to another Stock Talk Daily Analysis. I just got back from pretty much going to my parents' house for the last couple of days, so I wasn't near my computer to make videos. So now I'm back. I got a new phone, got the new Galaxy 20, so things are going good. I had a great day today trading CRWD, and I'm sure most people had a good day today. Most stocks were definitely green today. And I'm just going to show you the plays I was making today. I think CRWD just had a great day. So did Apple, so did Tesla, so did Amazon. I mean, not the best day for Amazon, but a whole bunch of stocks went up today. Netflix, Microsoft, SQ, SE, even gold went up. Bitcoin went up, right? Mara, all the stocks are just doing really well. Fastly is doing pretty good. I just got back into them recently, and I think I already mentioned AMD. So today I'm going to be talking more about CRWD CrowdStrike. That is where I have most of my funds on right now, and now I just want to show you why I'm doing those trades I'm doing right now. So let me hop on to CRWD. Okay, so let me go back in time a little bit and show you what's really going on. So I bought this stock right about here, and I kind of predicted that we were going to be hitting this 114 for a while now. And let me show the micro plays that I'm doing to also take advantage of making gains. So I knew this red line was my bottom ever since we hit 3 times. That's usually my rule. If it hits 3 times, we're most likely gonna hit a couple more times. And this bottom can also be very versatile. It could be here or where I had it here. So honestly, here's a good spot. So I've been playing with this bottom, and every time it hits, I can't put more money into the stock, and you can tell how it hits multiple times. And this top line is where I've been selling. So we have here and there, and then we have the confirmation right here that this is the top support. So once we get this far, and I said I've been trading since this white line about here, I kind of had a good idea on how to make my trades moving forward. Because before this I was trading Tesla, I had a great chart in my last video on Tesla, which I definitely do recommend checking it out. So let's hop on right into my trades. So you can see where I'm selling, you can see where I'm buying, and I'm going to tell you guys why I'm holding. So long story short, I started buying here, I sold here, I bought here, I sold here, and I'm sorry, I sold here, bought here, and then today I held, which is you probably like asking me, oh, why are you holding? What's so different this time? And the reason I held is just the momentum it had going up was just insane. So I should have sold immediately after it hit, which would have been the smart thing. And I did see a drop a little bit, so we have one red candle on the 3 minute chart, which is really not bad. And then all of a sudden we have more movement going up. So I knew that was a good sign, and I knew to stick onto it. And then we start going up over, and we just the way it just grazes over the line, it has a lot of power right there. So I held on to it. We kind of did drop below for a few minutes, but it wasn't a big drop. I was kind of my honestly my stop loss was a 110 because I was really confident this was gonna go up, and we do break the purple line, which is a really good sign that the stock is gonna go higher. And then we start a new trend right here at 112. I really thought this was gonna hit 114 today, but I guess that's gonna have to wait till tomorrow. So it hits here. We have a little pullback. Hits it again. It hits it again. It hits it again. It hits it again. It's just driving 112. And our good rule for supports is the more time it hits it, the weaker it gets. The weaker it gets, most likely it is to break. So most likely we're gonna be breaking up this way. I can guarantee it that is gonna happen. We actually closed after hours at 113, so we already broke it after hours, which means tomorrow is gonna be a great day. I'm looking at 114, and I'm also looking above 116. So two things are gonna happen, and I'm gonna show you my top support lines, my bottom support lines. So I'm gonna go back in time a little bit, like to the 15-minute chart. And it looks, this looks kind of crazy, but it's gonna make a lot of sense. So this orange line is my top support. Like you can see how it hits top. It hits it here, and then it hits it, and it's gonna hit. Like I can almost guarantee it's gonna hit 114. That's why I'm holding on to CRWD for tomorrow. I have a lot of options. I literally made $5,000 on CRWD, and I'm planning on making another 5K tomorrow. I literally have the picture if you guys don't believe me. And I want you guys to trust me because I am making money on stocks, and I want the same thing for you guys. I really want you guys to succeed and make a lot of money, and ask me for help on how I can do that for you guys. So just really quick, I'm just gonna go into my gallery and just pop this out for you guys because I want you guys to, on top of that, I want to prove myself. Um, so here we go. Let's see if my camera can pick that up. So you can see the gains for the day, and my daily gain was 5,024. And again, I'm hoping to make that tomorrow. I'm very consistent right now. I've had several good days back to back to back, and which means I have more capital, and the more capital I have, the more money I can reinvest that into. So I'm hoping to make another 5K tomorrow, and if I do, I'm just gonna be really happy. I'm actually gonna take a 2K out and just go crazy with it, because I had so many days back to back that I do want to enjoy what I have. So that's my prediction for tomorrow. I think we're going to be hitting 114. And again, we have this bottom green line, and this is a very consistent green line where we go all the way back in time to here, 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 here. So most likely, if we get to 114, which we will, we're going to try to go for 116. And then if that succeeds, we're going to be trying for the medium support line at 121. And eventually, long term, I am looking to hit 140 around this range. And you can see how that red line just goes also way back in time. So honestly, this would be a good selling point. I mean, you just gotta look at the lines and the way I looked at it today. If it has a lot of momentum going up, then most likely we are gonna break that line and just fly over it. So that's my analysis on CRWD. If you guys have any questions or if you guys really want this chart, let me know. I can always forward you my what's it called? I always forget. Trading view. Wasn't that called like pro charts? You know what I'm saying? Like trading view. I just don't like that name. Anyways, let me hop on the Tesla because this is a huge fan. For you guys, yes, just love Tesla, and I do too. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Tesla is just amazing stock. You can see how we broke the all-time high right about here, the previous high, and today it just went up. We not today. I mean, we went up here. We kind of hovered, and once we broke this line, anyone who's good at trading, and I'm not, I wasn't, I just happened to not be looking at Tesla because I had a long day of work. Would have known that this was a great buy anywhere here at 190, and we're just almost at 2,000 right now. So I think honestly for Tesla, we might see some pullback back to this, back to about 1890. I think 2,000 is really where it's gonna cap out. But I don't have a crystal ball. I can't really tell you for sure. It might just keep going up to over 2,000. That would be fantastic. But 2,000 and 1,000 are usually those points where you might see some pullback. Next we have Apple. All right. I did not trade Apple today. I had some stocks in Apple, but I wasn't really like doing options with Apple. I had all my options in CRWD. I was really confident in it, and I definitely succeeded with CRWD. So this is what we have going on for Apple. Apple looks very, very strong right now. This is definitely one of the stronger stocks. But be careful that we might start to see some pullback about up here at 475, and then we might start balancing between those two lines over here. So just keep that in mind. Um, it's kind of hard to predict, but honestly, I think this is the best lines I can put up for you guys. I think we might hit no farther than 476. I mean 78, or definitely not over 480. So if it gets really this high, I would definitely recommend selling. You can see how it starts to develop this trend up here. So do what you guys want with it. I think it's gonna go up a little bit more, but since it closed at such a weird point, and I think we're gonna see 476 and immediately see a huge drop back to here. If we go over this is a huge buy indicator. If this starts to go over this, it's a huge buy indicator. So keep that in mind. If the stock opens tomorrow and it goes up, then you want to hold on to it. If the stock opens and it kind of goes down, you want to sell it because that's just where Apple is right now. Next we have Tesla. I just did Tesla. Next we have, let's see, what stock do I want to do right now? Oh, I want to talk about FSLY. Great stock. So this stock just recently took a huge dip. I owned it up to here. I actually took this fucking dip. I ate it. Just because I thought how it's uptrending right here. I thought we are gonna get with the news coming out in the earnings, we were just gonna bounce right away. But I had to eat this dip, which was kind of sad. But it is what it is. You can't make all the winning trades. And I was too late to what's it called? When I woke up, it was just 9:30. It was too late, but I sold it immediately, and this whole drop happened. It looked like it was gonna recover here. It did not. So this one I'm predicting for tomorrow. We just recovered a lot, and I think we're gonna be hitting this. We're gonna try hitting this line again at 99. Definitely 100 will be a good point where this stock is gonna go. So I have options calls for FSLY. Not too much, but most of my options are on CRWD. And then I have stocks on Apple, I have stocks on Tesla, I have stocks, just stocks and on Siri. I have stocks in Nova, solar industry. I have stocks, but this looks like it's dropping. But I just don't really touch my stocks that much. It doesn't really matter because I'm holding for long term. So this actually looks like it's gonna hit here, but it's only $1, and I think we're just gonna bounce back up. Um, yeah, so if you guys have any other questions, let me know. And thanks for watching, guys.